love this library.
But they're going to have a nice new one with lots of room, and it was getting kind of crowded. So there'll be room for more books, more media. It'll be nice.
Absolutely. Now, where are we today, Miss Nancy?
We are sitting on the steps of the library, which would be City Hall in Independence. And it is the day before Mother's Day. And this is the annual Kids Fishing Contest, which is a wonderful, fun event.
You know, when I was a kid, we didn't have the annual fishing contest because we fished all the time.
Oh.
I mean, we were probably doing everything illegal, but we were young and it was a different time period, and we spent a lot of time down at the pond. There was a dock. We had a blast.
Now, when you say the pond, you mean the lake?
Yeah, Bugle Lake.
Okay.
We always called it the pond.
Oh, okay.
Let's go down to the pond.
Okay. And I think it's great because, you know, people that are interested in fishing, they get a chance to learn how to do it.
Well, and there's prizes.
Yep.
And of course, it's the Rod and Gun Club, and they do such a fantastic shindig. They get donations from all over the place,
yes,
inside and outside of Trempealeau County.
Yes, we're here about 10:30, and it doesn't really officially start
for a little bit.
Hour. Yeah.
Yes, yes. And also, just to give a shout out, this is one of many kids fishing contests.
Yes.
And so there's lots of opportunities on Lake Henry. I think they do one on Crystal Lake. I think they do one. And so just pay attention to the flyers and listen to WHTL radio because they announce them. Let's go see what they're doing down at the kids fishing contest. Yay! Look at that. And I'm gonna see if we can get a quick chat.
Nathan, you're making me cold.
Okay. Hi! Look at this! Look at this young fisher person. And who are you? What's your name?
Betty Klimek.
Betty Klimek. And who's this little tiger?
This is Carter.
Hi, Carter. Are you going to go fishing today? I think he's comfortable staying in here where it's warm.
Oh, he loves the outside.
Oh, absolutely. Okay, so here we go. So who do we have here with us today?
Hi, I'm Trempealeau.
And what are you doing?
I am heating up hot dogs. We've got 576 hot dogs that we're going to be giving away. They will go in probably an hour or so.
And so you're anticipating upwards of 400 or 500 kids, yeah?
It's typically, we usually have right around that 500 hot dogs, and they go well. Chips, pop, and hot dogs free for the taking. Yeah, it's a good deal.
And how long does it take to get organized to pull off the kids fishing contest?
Oh, I'm the wrong person to ask. My husband just volunteers me to heat hot dogs up.
Oh, okay. So you know your place within the kids fishing contest.
This has been going on. Everybody kind of has a role. The Klimek girls take care of all the prizes, and then the Rod and Gun Club portion, it kind of does all the other things. Alfila actually just got nominated the other night to be the main go-to for the future years. So make sure you talk to him too.
Okay, fabulous, fabulous. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And it just goes to show that many hands make light work, doesn't it?
Yeah, we bring in some neighbor kids, and there's kids out there and selling raffle tickets, and yeah, everybody has a little job, and it turns out really nice.
Awesome, and we've got a beautiful day for it, right?
Good enough. There's been worse.
Okay, I'm gonna see if I can visit with the Klimek girls a little bit. Yes, 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 shake your head. Look at her go. Okay, so we've got to convince one of these two ladies to speak with me. One of these two ladies we need to speak with. And who do we have here today?
I am Tammy Klimek.
And can you walk me through the tremendous bunch of prizes?
Yep. The Rod and Gun Club gives us ladies some money that we go shopping for, and we shop and shop. This year we were fortunate enough, the Salvation Army Toys for Tots for Trempealeau County and Buffalo County are going out, so they will no longer be doing it. They had to clean out their warehouse, so a large portion of the toys you see here are from them as well.
And then, I mean, also there are things that are donated, correct?
Correct. Monies are donated. JoJo's donates ice cream.
And so, I mean, there's boys, there's girls, there's big, there's little, there's holy cats, look at all the bikes.
Bikes were donated. The smaller ones were donated by Central Builders. The bigger ones, I believe, the Rod and Gun Club bought.
And now those are like grand prizes,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
And so everybody gets like a I came here prize?
Everybody gets an attendance prize for coming. And then all their names go back in the bucket, and the bigger prizes over here that you see on one table are for the attendance prizes, and the other table are for all the fish that are caught.
Okay. And now, do you know, do they plant fish before this event, or are these guys catching the leftovers from the ice fishing contest?
I think they're left over from ice fishing. You'd have to ask one of the guys.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you so much for spending a couple of minutes, and we appreciate your hard work for the community.
Thank you.
Boy, you could get Christmas done all right here. Holy cow. Oh, the Fisher people are rolling in. Look they're all lining up. They're lining up to sign up for prizes. Look at that. And this is a hot dog and concessions. And these are mom and dad tickets. I can get over here. So who's organizing these tickets? Are you?
We have kids doing it right now, and what they're doing is we have both membership tickets and the kids' raffle tickets. Right now he's selling the raffle. We haven't got the membership out yet. That's for people that just don't, they give us $10 to donate
Okay.
to our elk rod and gun. For them being members, they can come to every meeting
Okay.
and be part of the club.
And fill us in a little bit, Doug, on what the club is all into this year. What are some special projects they're working on? Because they're doing stuff all the time.
Yeah, well, we were at 186 twice this year for cleanup and planting trees and clean up brush, and we had the fire department out to do a controlled burn, to make the property nice and accessible. And it's our canoe landing, of course, also. And then, of course, we have our Kids' Day here, which is a big event we have for all the kids. Every kid comes away with a prize.
How many months does it take to plan this thing up? As soon as ice fishing's done?
These girls right here, the Kleenex girls, do a lot of the work and get the thing ready. And they do all the prize drawing and buying and stuff, so they do a very, very good job. And without them, we couldn't have a good fishing contest.
Oh,
so
there we
they
go.
do a very, very good job. And like I said, this helps defray some of the cost by having this little raffle. Because we spend at least $6,000 on this event alone, and it's all for the kids, of course.
And it's important because it really helps build community, does it not?
Oh, definitely.
And care for our natural resources.
Right, and it gets the kids outdoors.
Absolutely.
That's the big one, is get the kids away from that phone and get outdoors.
They have chips, water, pop, whatever you want. You can have as much as you want. But give me a sit right before around the clock. We have 20, 25, 28 minutes before the contest begins. So right around That's good to know, right? You know, you have as much as you want. You have 500 everybody who's here today, Paul, we appreciate it. Come on, pick up the flag right away. Appreciate that. Then at the end of the contest, we'll be able to time to come up with the flag. Keep the flag free, and we're lucky to have people giving us the use of the backyard.
In a pinch. Thank you.
This looks like we've got some serious fisher people right here. Look at a whole group of them.
Oh, I know this lady. Dueling cameras.
Now, I'm just going to have to come on over here because I think I might know these gentlemen. Now, judging by the whiskers here, I think you may be a little old
Yep.
to
Yep.
be...
I'm just a setup man.
Oh, you're the setup man. And what's
Yep.
your name?
Craig Sensala.
And how long have you been fishing here in Bugle Lake?
Oh, since I was a little kid.
So-
Early as I can remember.
As long as you can remember. And now, how many fisher people are you keeping an eye on today?
2 for now, unless some more show up. But
And it's going to be a good day to fish.
yeah, well, it's a little windy, but we'll see what we can do.
And so, what are you using for bait? Or what are the kids using for bait? We got to, dial that back.
We got minnows and we have some night crawlers and some worms. So we'll see. Try a little bit of everything.
And what do you think is in here for fish?
Oh, I'm sure there's some trout and there might be a few panfish and some other stuff in here, but mostly trout, I'm guessing.
And do you think that big bugler fish is in here someplace?
Didn't get caught this winter. There's a realistic possibility it could be in here somewhere.
There we go. Well, best of luck to your fishers.
All right, thank you.
How about you, Gopher? Are you here to supervise?
Yeah, I'm the setup man.
You're the setup.
I come out early in the morning, get the blankets out.
Oh, there you go, to get the spot.
Yeah.
And now you got prior knowledge fishing out here?
Well, years ago, I used to fish by Aunt Valeria's off the point over there.
Yes.
When I was in like 6th, 7th, 8th grade,
Yes.
we used to get on our bikes at 5 o'clock in the morning and come out and fish. And then Aunt Valeria would come out about 7 and stuff. We caught a lot of fish off that point.
That's where Aunt Helen taught me how to put worms on hooks. She wouldn't do it for me. She said, you have to learn how to do that yourself if you're gonna fish.
Yeah, that's the only way you're going to learn is to do it yourself.
Well, enjoy your day today. It's nice to visit.
Okay, folks, we have we always have 2 minutes on the phone. Okay, we have 2 minutes left and a cracked screen. All right.
There's the famous Richie Fila. How are you doing?
Pretty good.
Have you had any people tell me that?
Everybody's talking about it.
I'm happy to hear that.
Hot dogs, chips, water, pop. Please just take 1 pop so everybody can get one. There's plenty of water. We appreciate it. Everybody coming out tonight. Sorry about the people across the lake. It's hard to push the sound system that far with this wind coming from the island. And we want to thank Adrian Mish for donating the 6 poles.
Is it a crown or do they just give you a special hat?
I think it's, how would you say, you get that job instead of going to the principal's office.
Oh, instead of going to the principal's office. Congratulations.
City Independence, we want to thank you for letting us use this facility. Promote family, for letting us fish in the backyard, and very nice of them. But remember to keep it as clean as we found it, folks. We need to keep it clean. Thank you very much. We did 66 donated. Join over there for the zoo bar. That's the name. Across the way, folks. We can also donate some pigs, bushes, and maple leaf meats. Donate the hot dogs. Independence Day Fair, and Adrian Mish.
Oh, I know this lady. Dueling cameras.
The fish pole right there. Adrian Mish donated those poles. They let 3 out of pressure. 3 poles. You can take it, start fishing. No problem. Just take it and through. Thank you all for coming out today. It's a little cool. Hey, Larkin, there. A little bit on the track.
Looks like you've got your hands full, Brad.
It's not the warmest day, is it? And because it's going to be Mother's Day, oh, the flowering crab trees are just beautiful. Just in time for Mother's Day.
Now that's what I call fully prepared to fish.
Okay. Buffalo River John donated. Gilbertson Bay donated a nice aqua center for the summer. Donated some poles, footprint, donated some lungs. Rocky Mountain Elk Foundation, donated City of Independence. We want to thank you for letting us use this facility. The Motor family, for letting us fish in the backyard. If you want to keep those things in the
Oh, I'd love to win this. And how much are the tickets?
1 for 5, 5
Oh, okay. We'll see if I've got any cash.
Hey folks, we have about 10 minutes. They're going to start serving the hot dogs, possibly about 5 minutes, I think Kim said. So, you can count it up. Okay folks, Kim says the hot dogs are ready. Come on up, we ask everybody. If you only have one pop, everybody will get one. So, come on up, you have something beforehand. Come on up, baby. Try to warm up a little bit. So, and remind you that if you hear your name called, please come up, put it up and try it right away if you can. And make it go forward, smoother, and with everything in line on the prize. We appreciate it. So, if you hear your name, if you need dates, they have dates. I do we'll try down in the middle of the park. And if you are down there right now, and that's where you take fish to register your fish. And if you are, take the fish over there, get it registered, and take it back and home. Sun's coming out, you start rolling the ice. Along the bike.
Okay, so I've got.
Our next door prize goes to Caden Kensmo, age 3, Caden Kensmo.
The oldest guy?
You gotta go find the youngest one, and you got the oldest one.
Oh, come on, he's not that old, is he? Huh?
Here.
Are you ancient, Bill? Ancient, yeah.
Not too long ago, I turned 60.
Well, that's not really ancient anymore, I'm afraid. You catch anything? You got any bites?
Just weeds.
Just weeds. Oh, well.
Hard to fish with the wind.
Yeah, I
Wrong
know.
direction.
That wind just,
Need it out of the south, maybe.
it's just been out of the north every day, it seems like. Hard to
Hit or
get.
miss, yeah. You live on a good spot there for wind, don't you?
Oh, yeah. We have no shortage.
Our next door prize goes to Sadie Francis.
Yeah, we always have good drying weather at our place.
goes to us. Sean Howard, I'm believing. Sean Howard, 14.
Yeah, wind is making it a challenge.
It is. Right out of the north again.
Our next door prize goes to Micah Axness, age 9. Micah Axness, age 9. All right, our next door prize goes to Emmy Middleton, age 4. Emmy Middleton, age 4. And our next door prize goes to Julia Peterson, age 8. Julia Peterson, age 8. Our next door prize goes to Haley Barrios. Haley Barrios.
Wave at the camera. Nancy, wave at the camera. Okay, we're gonna say hello. And who do we have here?
Sophia Campa, Miss Independence 2025.
And who is this? And what are you? For 2025? And now next week, how many weeks?
3 weeks.
3 weeks before you change your crown? Are you excited? Did you have a good experience?
Yeah, I've had a good experience.
Well, fabulous. Thank you for coming down to the fishing contest today. Are you ready to get a hot dog?
Yeah, that would be great.
Yeah.